Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. This is your Mad Yogi Eileen, bringing you the Leo Tala salutation. So the shorter version, or at least one of the sections of the full sequence. Now for this flow, we are going to be doing it on our knees down on the mat. So please prepare for yourself some knee pads that can be anything from a folded up towel or a tea towel or maybe even a rug somewhere that you can fold up and quickly slide on and off your mat as you need to, yeah, because it will depend on the situation of your knees and the situation of your ankles as well. You are going to be given, I am going to give you two options for your ankle positions here. Yeah, we can do the flow with the ankles in a dorsiflexion. Can you see that? In a dorsiflexion, 90 degrees with the ankles, or in a plantar flexion. Straight front of the ankle. So dorsiflexion, plantar flexion. You can even do this with me. You can sit down on a stool or a chair and do some ankle movements with me first. Yeah. So dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, and during the flow, this mini flow, I'm going to just choose the position of your ankles. This flow is also strong for the upper body, so for the shoulders, the arms, and the wrists, yeah? So please prepare your wrists, give them some rolls, give them some squeeze, some massage, and the flow isn't long. Our Tala salutations aren't long, but they are designed for you to be able to do them as many times or as little as you want to. Yeah, and any time of the day, really. Come down on your mat. This is my circular cat Leo Tala salutation, by the way, circular cat. So come into a kneeling position like this, a thunderbolt pose. Roll your shoulders. Did I suddenly go quiet there? Roll your shoulders, roll your wrists, just prepare the body. From here, come into an extended child's pose. Separate your fingers, spread your hands as wide as they can. Press the circles of your hands down on the mat, elbows lifted up. Never bring your elbows down on the mat if they're extended, yeah? It creates, for example, this way, it creates a nasty pinching sensation in the corner of your shoulder. So elbows lifted up. Let's do this with our ankles in dorsiflexion first. So tuck your toes under. From here, let's just have some spinal waves. Belly in and up, chest up, head up, and some more spinal waves here. Allow the body to move up and down. What we also want to feel here is that lengthen in the arms and the side of the body. From here, look forward, draw your elbows in or squeeze them in, never let them wing out. Okay, never let them wing out. Look forward and slide forward. So elbows pointing to the back, slide forward and push yourself up into a high upward facing dog. That means your toes are still tucked under. You're pushing through your arms, through your feet and lifting the thighs off. From here, push your hips up, full plank, knees bent, push back, puppy pose. And let's do some spinal waves here. Belly in and up, chest up, head up, and exhale down. Stay in puppy pose though. Yeah. Heels up if they've drifted down. Knees all the way down. Push back. Sit bones to your heels. Now let's try the other way with your ankles in plantar flexion. Once again, don't allow your elbows to drop. Look forward, slide through. So adjust the angle of your arm joints, slide through and push yourself up. So your sternum is pushing forward and up. Yeah? Your hips are trying to also push forward and up. Because an upward facing dog is a back bend. You're pushing through your arms and the tops of your feet this time. Thighs off the mat. Now push through your arms, lift your hips up a moment in a pointed plank. Then flip your feet over one at a time, knees bend, push back, puppy pose, spinal waves. Breathe, you can even sigh. And that's the movement. Heels up, knees down. Hips push back. Choose the angle of your ankles this time. Dorsiflexion like this or plantar flexion. Up to you. Choose the angle of your ankles. Look forward. Body pushes forward and up. Upward facing dog with toes tucked under or pointed. Push the hips up. You're already in a full plank or a pointed plank. Join me in a full plank. Knees bend. Push back. Spinal wave. Let's make this nice and smooth now. Spinal waves first. Heels up. Knees down. Push back. Choose the angle of your ankles. Slide forward. Push up. Upward facing dog. Either version. Hips up. Either version of plank. Then everyone full plank. Knees bend puppy. Spinal wave. Even smoother. Heels up. Knees down. Push back. Choose the angle of your ankles. Look forward. Slide through. Push up. Upward facing dog. Lift the hips up. Transition to plank. Transition to puppy pose. Spinal wave. Heels up. Knees down. Push back. Choose the angle of your ankles. Look forward. Slide through. Upward facing dog. Transition to plank. Transition puppy. Spinal wave. Spinal waves first. Heels up. Knees down. Push back. Choose the angle of your ankles. Slide forward. Push up. Upward facing dog. Either version. Hips up. Either version of plank. Then everyone full plank. Knees bend puppy. Spinal wave. Even smoother. Heels up. Knees down. Push back. Choose the angle of your ankles. Look forward. Slide through. Push up. Upward facing dog. Lift the hips up. Transition to plank. Transition to puppy pose. Spinal wave. Heels up. Knees down. Push back. Choose the angle of your ankles. Look forward. Slide through. Upward facing dog. Transition to plank. Transition puppy. Spinal wave. Last one. Heels up, knees down. Push back. Choose the angle of your ankles. Look forward. Slide through. Push up, upward facing dog. Lift up, plank, transition. Transition to puppy. Spinal waves. Heels up, knees all the way down. Untuck your toes and walk yourself back up into this thunderbolt seated pose and massage your wrists, massage your forearms, your hands. Give them a squeeze, give them a massage. I like massaging my wrists this way, just squeezing them. Just giving them a good squeeze. If you want a bit of Shavasana, you're welcome to do so. But if you want to, get on with your day or wind down the day, if you did this at the end of the day, you're welcome to do so as well. Roll the shoulders. And thank you for being with me here for our Leo Tala salutation, and I will see you in the next class. Bye! Well done on finishing your class. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you want ad-free premium versions of this class, the entire library of classes, not all of the channels are going to appear here on YouTube, and the course and workshop channels as well, and the workshop sheets, some of which are exclusive to the Mad Yogi Club members. So come and join me on our website, madyogi.net, and I will see you in the next class. Bye!